At RayQ, we specialize in seeing the bigger picture of intricate dynamic systems, devising a tailored interconnect solution that addresses any challenge along the way, encompassing design, component selection, sourcing, production, and delivery. Routing through confined spaces with challenging angles is made possible when combining our in-depth know-how, choosing the appropriate materials, and meticulous engineering and production. With vast experience in dynamic solutions and distinct customization, the harness will function seamlessly even when integrated into constantly moving parts. A single harness can support multiple transmission mediums while taking into account factors such as volume and weight without compromising on functionality. RayQ solutions are crafted from military-grade, high-rel materials to endure challenging field conditions, including exposure to extreme temperatures, moisture, and electromagnetic interference. It is our mission to connect the dots and ensure the ongoing, high-performing, reliable operation of any application.